is Javier Gonzalez. I'm the project manager of our Kazakhstan Academy of Atlético de Madrid that we're launching this year. First of all, I want to say thank you to Montfort University and all the people who were involved to invite me here. For sure, about your question, I think nowadays it's really important for all of our students to find the things that they love, to find the things that they will really improve to themselves as professionals, as people, and also, in our case, as sport athletes. I think British education opens opportunities to all of the people because at the end I have lived in different countries all around the world, and without English it couldn't be possible to understand the culture, to understand the message, to give the proper message, you know. For me, having that concept of open learning is something really important for the future of our people. When you are looking for a partnership, we always say that you're looking for a marriage. Why we say that? Because at the end, you have to love the people where you are working to. In Atlético de Madrid, we, for example, believe that our teammates are part of our family. So partnerships is really important, and sponsorship is really important to be aligned with the message that we really want to give to the people. To give a proper message related to values, to our identity as company, our identity as a club, as academy. That's why I really believe that partnerships should be like a marriage. Some people that you love every single day and you do your sacrifice and effort to keep it properly between all of them. My message should be to live day by day, enjoy day by day, love the work, love what you are studying, love what you are playing, love your family, all your people, because at the end for me this is the clue for success, you know, that if you live with passion what you are doing, if you are a good guy, if you promote good values, if you promote through sports in this case, good habits for the people, I really believe that we are constructing a better future, having better people, better students, better sportsmen. So, well, thank you very much for all your interview.